Hello everyone, you are on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to use Weekcut at Walmart. Walmart plans to add week payment to online store. Let's check it out. Open Walmart, account, payment methods. It is not possible to add a week, but you can always use the week in a regular Walmart stores. Search Week Store Locator. Select your state. Select your city. These are all stores that accept week in the selected city, including Walmart. Now you know how to use Weekcut at Walmart. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.